Hi, it's Andy from Styles, and today I'm going to be fusing onto 100% recycled polyester. I have the lightweight shell waterproof here from StormTech, which looks great, feels great, and we're going to be putting heat transfers onto it today to show you how easy it is to decorate these jackets. Because this has some wonderful zip detailing, I really want to isolate these areas and make sure I'm not fusing onto these zips. So I'm going to take this off and I'm going to use a lower power platen. Because this is 100% recycled polyester, I really want to make sure I'm using lower heat, and I'm also going to be using a really good cover sheet, and I want to use digital hybrid transfers so I can get a really low temperature on the heat transfers. Great thing about these StormTech jackets is how easy it is to isolate those areas. So I don't need to just place it on here and hope I don't get any of the mesh or any other zips or fabric behind it. There's a really long access zip on the inside, so I can zip it all the way down and I can get a really great isolation of that area when I hook this jacket on here. So it makes it very easy to make sure I've got no zip in the way, I've got no seam in the way, I've just got all of the fabric that I want to decorate onto. So once again, let's carefully remove the cover sheet. Carefully take the jacket off there. Because this is a cold peel transfer, we don't want to interrupt any of the peeling process. So just be very gentle with it. Take it off to the side and place it down on a cold surface. So we let this transfer go cold, and you can see there's not a single mark on this. There's no platen mark. Grab the corner, nice and easy peel. And just like that, you manage to decorate onto a 100% recycled polyester, not a scorching site, really nice smooth finish. So when your customer gets this, they're going to be really impressed. And you can take this outside in the rain, and that transfer's going nowhere.